Hello, welcome back to our channel. Today I'm going to show you how to turn on the markup function for billable expenses in QuickBooks Online. This feature helps you manage expenses you incur for clients and makes it easy to bill them back with accuracy. Start by logging in to your QuickBooks Online account. Head to the QuickBooks website, click Sign In, and select QuickBooks Online if it isn't already chosen. Enter your login details and continue to access your account. Once you're inside, go to the top right corner and click on the gear icon. From the drop-down, select Account and Settings. On the left-hand side, click on the Expenses tab. This is where all your expense-related settings live. Now, look for the Bills and Expenses section. Here, you'll see the option to make your expenses and items billable. Turn this option on so that any costs you cover for clients can be tracked and billed back to them. After that, make sure to click Save at the bottom of the page. This step is important because it locks in your changes and ensures the setting is ready to go. And that's it. You've successfully enabled the markup function for billable expenses in QuickBooks Online. It's a small adjustment, but it can really simplify reimbursement, boost profitability tracking, and give you more flexibility when managing client costs. Stay tuned for more easy QuickBooks tutorials. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more helpful tips.